Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to the Kamado Joe cooking channel. Today we're going to fire up one of our Kamado Joe classics and we're going to make some pig shots. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do to make these pig shots is get a little fire going in the grill here. And what I've done is I've put the firebox divider in and I've just put a small pile of charcoal back here in the back side of the grill. I've lit a fire starter in there and I'm going to set a chunk of oak that I've got right there, and we're just going to let that come up, let that light up, let that burn, and I'm going to leave the lid open here for just a few minutes, and I'm going to leave the top and bottom vents fully open on the grill. If you want to cook this project to a specific temperature, feel free to set up however you like. You can cook this anywhere between 250 and 350 degrees. Next thing we've got here are the ingredients we're going to use to make these pig shots. I'm starting out with some Cajun style andouille smoked sausage. We've got some thick sliced bacon that I've cut in half. I've got some jalapeno peppers. I've got some Man Cave Meals pork mojo rub that we're going to use. I've got cream cheese. I've got some grated cheddar and some grated pepper jack. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to put these together. First thing I'm going to do is I took my cream cheese out. I'd let that soften up at room temperature, and I'm going to shake in, I don't know, a couple of teaspoons of my pork rub. Then I'm going to put my shredded cheese in, and then I'm just going to take my wooden spoon and I'm going to mix all that together and get that worked together completely. Okay, the next step of this process, I have sliced up my andouille sausage and I've taken the bacon and we're going to wrap it around the andouille slice and let that toothpick, we're going to stick a toothpick all the way through there to hold that bacon in place. And then we're going to drip in one of our jalapeno slices. And then I've taken my cheese mixture and put it in a Ziploc bag and cut the edge out, and we're going to pipe some of that cheese mixture right into the top here. And I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of these together off camera. And for the purpose of this video, I've only made up 8 of these, but I've got them put together here, and I'm going to shake some more of my barbecue rub right on top of those, and now we're going to put them on the grill. I've put my grill grate over just the top half here, and we're going to take each of these pig shots and we're just going to set them right here on the grill. And we're just going to let these guys cook until we're happy with what they look like. And I've got this other leftover piece of andouille sitting here that we're just going to toss on the grill with it. So I'm going to close the lid, and as you can see here, I've got a fire burning back there on the back side of this grill. That oak chunk is ignited, and I've got the top vent fully open, the bottom vent fully open. We've been rolling here, in my case, about an hour and 15 minutes on these, and I'm happy with these right here. What you have to do here is cook these however long it takes to get the bacon firmed up to your liking. And right now I'm exactly where I like mine. Mine's been running, like I said, an hour and 15 minutes or so at somewhere between 275 and 325 for most of this cook. I'm going to take these off and I'm just going to let these cool for a little bit, and these things are ready to serve. You want to let them cool a little bit before you serve them, but this is great finger food for a party, barbecue, a tailgating, whatever you want to do. You're definitely going to need to give these a try. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Join us on Facebook, facebook.com/Kamado Joe. Follow us on Twitter @Kamado Joe. Until next time, this is John Setzler with the Kamado Joe Cooking Channel.